welcome back to the channel. It is Monday. Your girl is off today, so she thought she'd make a video, even though today ain't the day for a video. But I thought I'd make a video because I went to the Goodwill. I went thrifting already, y'all, and let me share with you guys what I found. Now this jacket is pretty nice jacket. I want y'all to see the detail. See the detail in the back? Take a look at that. See that? I'm going to make it into a bustier. Can y'all see it? Okay, can y'all see the bustier coming through? Okay, a blue jean bustier. Just imagine. It ain't going to be this long, I don't think. Yeah, but so what I'll be doing is cutting off the top of this and stuff, and I'm gonna try to share all that part with y'all, okay? And then I may take the pockets that are on the front, on the sides, should I say, and put them on the top, like, you know, here and one here. Okay, so that's one thing I got today. And another thing that I thrifted was this whole thing of red fabric for $14.99. The jacket was $7.99, but it was a blue tag on it, so it was half off that. So half off of $7.99 is what, like $3.50, something like that. So yeah, I got the jacket for $3.50, $3.49, something like that. But this one didn't have no blue tag on it, but it is a really nice fabric. Okay, I just dropped to the floor, but that's okay. Hold on, y'all. Really nice and stretchy. It's a lot too. I'm pretty sure it's well over 6 yards of this fabric. So really, really stretchy red fabric. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. I see a dress in my future though. I do see a dress in my future. I see a long just wear around the house, and maybe when the summertime hit, I can wear it, you know, wherever. So I can make a jacket with it, y'all, because it's a lot of it's a lot of fabric on here. So once I find out how much is on here, I will let y'all know. But yeah, it's a lot. Okay, so it's got to be at least maybe 14 yards on here. I don't know, we'll see. And then I went to the Dollar Tree and I found some more racks so I can replace the ones that are over there on the wall. As you can see, those up there on the wall right there, because when I cut some of them, I broke some of them off. So I need to replace those. And I also was looking for sage green to go into my cubby holes. So I found some of these trays at the dollar store that will hold, you know, notions and stuff like that. I found 4 of these green buckets, and then I found, let's see here, 2 little green baskets here. Remember, everything is $1.25 now. Only found 1 of these, and this color is kind of hard to find, but I really think it'll make my room and my little cubby holes pop. And then 1 of these. So the other dollar store was closed, so I couldn't get in there today. And I also found these, what do you use them for? They're non-slip shelf liners. I'm gonna put them under my tabletop so that I don't have to nail it down, so to speak. Well, let me show y'all what I'm talking about. So here is my table, and this is where I'll be cutting things and showing y'all how to do stuff. So I might not always have my face on camera, but I'm going to put it up under here. I already have some temporary ones in place. I just wanted to share with y'all too my belt that I completed that y'all saw in a video earlier. So here it is. Okay, I'm going to put it on for y'all so y'all can see what it looked like. I probably could make it a little tighter, but that's the gist of it, y'all. So yeah, so you can imagine me wearing this around, you know, something, a white shirt, or, you know, with another pair of blue jean pants, or I don't know, with over a black dress, you know, and bringing that out. And the pockets are usable, so you can unbutton the pocket and still use it. Okay, so you can still use this pocket, no holes in it, whatever. And I cut this out of that skirt, and I still have fabric left for that skirt. So what I'm doing with the extra fabric, I am working on a bucket hat. Okay, so this is a hat that I used to have before, and I used to wear it sometimes. I didn't wear it a lot, but yeah, I'm wearing it. I'm gonna be wearing it this summer, and I'm turning it into a blue jean bucket hat. Okay, so I'm just using fabric glue. So this is all a no-sew project. This was a no-sew project. Okay, so yeah, but I need to get to some sewing projects so y'all can see me use all my machines over here. See all of these babies lined up over here? We got to put them to work. So I'm working on something for my girlfriend's birthday. I don't want to put it on the video because I don't know if she's going to watch or not. So I don't want her to know what I'm making for her. But that's it for today. And when I get my materials and stuff, so yeah, when I get everything laid out, you guys, what I'll do is I'll come back and show y'all how I'm gonna make that bustier vest. Okay, because I don't know if I'm gonna put a zipper up the back or how I'm gonna close it. So that's the part that I need to figure out, because a lot of this stuff I'm doing is not, you know, with a pattern or whatever have you. It is just some things that I'm coming up with. And I'm also working on the top for somebody, altering the top. So that'll be my first altering project. And I'm also thinking about going back to school to do alterations. So I'm gonna look up a class and update myself with some things. But let me, yeah, so I can, you know, do better at my sewing. But let me know if y'all like the blue jean belt. Okay, just so y'all get a close-up look at it, whatever. So this came out of a skirt. All right, so let me know. You can even wear it like this if you want to. Okay, it's up to you how you want to do it. So could you imagine that on a shirt, a white shirt probably, whatever color shirt you want to wear, the plaid shirt, you can work it how you want to work it. All right, y'all, so I just wanted to share what went on today. Didn't want to make it long, but I just wanted to give y'all a video since I was out. Sunday was my birthday, so I did not do a video on Sunday patterns, so Sunday pattern day. So with that said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video out. And I will see y'all in the next one. And uploading, well, I'll probably upload this video for Tuesday. So you'll have your Thrifted Tuesday video upcycle. And then I'll come back on Wednesday and do another video, and hopefully Freestyle Friday. So I forgot what Wednesday was supposed to be. What was Wednesday? Yeah, I don't know. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I also will, you know, put a picture in at the end to show you what it looks like when I add these to my storage unit. Okay, my sewing table. All right, see y'all later. Thanks for coming by, stopping by at J-So-tastic, and yeah, that's all I gotta say, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye. Don't think it's gonna stay this way, but right now, temporarily, this is what it looks like. I don't like it, but yeah, we'll work it out as we go. Thanks for watching. See y'all on Wednesday or Friday.